Another one. Now we're gonna say some names today. You know, sometimes you gotta hear the beats before you get started. Main art bud, yes, I'm in the house. Yes, I'm over here and I'm about to shout you out. Yes, I shouting out and I wanna show some love. Still I'm over here then yes, you getting love. Both a headed run, fly power got two. Yes, I'm over here and yes, we keep it through. People talking about it with the things that we've been through. People's over here and you said it's keeping true. Saying that destiny forever walk a PhD. Yes, I'm over here then hanging out with me. On the second part when I don't have a part. People's over here that why be party in the dark. Hashtag fun, boys and matters in the house. Yes, I'm over here cause you matter in the house. Yes, I'm showing love from the south. Everybody's over here, you better settle down. People talking about it, how you gonna settle dough. Still I'm over here, but still I'm coming for some more. Yes, I'm in that purple like they said, I feel alright. Still I'm over here and I do it every night. Every night as I think about a new song. Song over here and I said I love song. Song is over there with the song is in my soul. People telling me the word that song do grow. Grow is over here and now we in the industry. People talking about all of y'all that next to me. Now you next to me and you know we showing love. Still I'm over here and I want to shout you up. Yes, I'm over here when we deep up in that street. People talking about what you want to see. Singing over here and I singing ooh wee. People talking about it, do you want to run and pee? Now you cannot be because you on that vibe. Vibe is over here and you vibing with your ride. Riders over here and we riding with you. People let me tell you all the thanks for coming through. So when I say your name and your name means something. I'm over here and I say you mean something. I'm over here and you know you mean something. People's over there and everybody is something. I wanna show all the love from me. I wanna show it straight to you what I be. Everybody wanna go and say ooh wee. I see you over there looking through them trees. But don't fall, don't want you get hurt. People's over there saying yes I put in work. I work out every day to just to get my body right. People modify every single night. Now I said you coming just to stand ooh wee. People talk about do you know it what you see? Singing what you see then and you see up at the J. J is over here the other people wanna say. Yes I am the 10 letter wanna count it out. Then you get the J, then you see what I'm about. Rockin' over here and I'm rockin' my fro. People telling me saying J where you go. Yes I'm going up and yes I'm going in. Still I'm over here and I do it with my grin. I'm doing it with my grin and I'm doing it with my friends. So everybody let me say it, that's the song again. Hey.